spacious and elegant looking living room, a nice big spacious looking kitchenette area, this big spacious looking master bedroom. Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. I am Palak and today we are here at Concord Antris by Concord Group, which is located off Yelahanka with Yaranyapura, North Bangalore. We are going to do its sample flat tour. Well, regarding the project, we are going to know a lot in detail. But first, let us know what is Housey. Well, let me tell you that Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the customers directly with the developer, thereby giving you a bottom rate price. That means the best rate possible. Unlike other current listing platforms wherein if you do an inquiry, your number is shared with different brokers. And what's the result? You get a lot of calls. Well, let me tell you that Housey is one such real estate platform where the listing is done directly by the developer. So do not go here and there. Book your dream home directly with the developer through Housey. So now talking about the project, which is Concord Antris by Concord Group. This project is going to be developed on 7 acres of land parcel having 5 towers of ground plus 16 floor stories. And let me tell you that this is located off Yelahanka in Vidyaranyapura, North Bangalore. So from here, all the educational institutions are at a distance of just 1 to 2 kilometers radius. When we talk about tech parks and IT parks, they are located at a 6 to 8 kilometers of radius from this location. So when we talk about the malls, so all the malls are located at an easy connectivity from this location. And when we talk about hospitals, so hospitals are located just like within a reach of 2 to 4 kilometers from this radius. So talking about the amenities, the Concord Antris has 60 plus amenities with likes of swimming pool, gymnasium, squash courts, multi-purpose courts, a banquet hall, mini theatre as well, kids play area, citizen area and many more wonderful amenities. So without any delay, let's go and see how the sample flat is. So right now I'm standing outside the 3 BHK sample flat of Concord Antris by Concord Group, which is of 1450 square feet super built up area. But let me tell you that they also have 2 BHK as well as penthouses as optionals too. So let's go inside and see how the sample flat is. Let's go. So as we enter, this is the wide looking passage area. Passage area is very much important because as you can see, a nice cabin has been made over here, so you can just store in your shoe racks and everything. So that's really very nice. And wow, look at this huge, spacious and elegant looking living room wherein a separate space has been given for your seating area, a separate space has been given for your dining area as well, and over there also if we see a separate space has been given for your different showcase, your different cabins as well. So I must say quite a big living room. And now let's go and see the balcony. Wide French windows have been given, so that's really very nice because this makes the flat look even more spacious. And wow, look at this, a wide and a long looking balcony, so that's really very great as well. And now let's go ahead and see the kitchenette area. But before that, we have a washroom just in the living area as well. So this is washroom number 1. A nice spacious looking washroom with anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings. So that's really very nice. And now let's go and see the kitchenette area. So as we go, there is bedroom number 1 on my left, bedroom number 2 on my right, and here is the kitchenette area. There is a separate space for your refrigerator, a separate space wherein you can store in your utilities, you can store in your microwave, oven, etc. And look at this, a nice big spacious looking kitchenette area. And here is the utility area that's been given as additional, so that's really very great, wherein you can put in all your utilities and your washing machine and everything. So quite a nice big spacious kitchenette area. Here also French windows, sliding windows have been given for your ventilation, so that's really very nice. And now let's go and see bedroom number 1. This is a nice cute looking cozy bedroom number 1 with wide French sliding windows. So wide French sliding windows are something that looks really very luxurious and makes the house look even more spacious. So that's really great. And there the Wardrobe section has been given, so you can also make like a nice beautiful wardrobe just like how it's been made up over here. And here a separate section has been given for your mirror or your dressing table, however you want to customize it. And now let's go and see bedroom number 2. So here right opposite is bedroom number 2. It's a nice big spacious bedroom number 2. Here also a separate space has been given for your wardrobe. Wide French windows, sliding windows have been given for your ventilation. And there we go and see the washroom. Anti-skid tiles have been given, high-end sanitary fittings have been given. So that's really very nice. And now let's head to the master bedroom, which is right on the opposite side. But before that, do you know what does Housey actually do for you? Well, let me tell you that in Housey you get to know the actual location tour. We give you the sample flat tours as well. We let you know the pros and cons of every project, like why is this project good for you, why is this project not good for you, why you should invest in a particular project or not. We also give you the 360 degrees virtual project tour. Wow, what can be better than this? We also let you know the all-inclusive pricing, including EMI and down payment details. And if after all of this, so if you like the project, quickly go and book your free site visit by clicking on the link mentioned in the description. And now let's go and see the master bedroom. So this is a nice big spacious looking master bedroom, beautifully designed. This is how you can design it as per your requirements, and these are the wide sliding French windows that have been given. Very nice peaceful atmosphere outside, you can just enjoy. And that is the wardrobe that's been beautifully made. That is how you can also customize and make your wardrobe as well. And this is a separate space given for your dressing table. A big mirror has been given, so this is how exactly you can customize as well. And now let's go and see the washroom. A nice big spacious washroom has been given over here as per the master bedroom. Anti-skid tiles, high-end sanitary fittings have been given, so that's really very great. So yes, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of Concord Antris by Concord Group, which is located off Yelahanka in Subhash Chandra Bose Road, Vidyaranyapura, North Bangalore. How did you like it? Let us know in the comment section. Also, if you want more details about the project, you can go and register yourself on housey.com. And if you want to download the e-brochure of this project, you can simply click on the link mentioned in the description and download the e-brochure. And before going, do not forget the drill. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel Housey. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye-bye and take care.
So everyone, this was a 3 BHK sample flat tour of residential project Concord Antris located in Subhash Chandra Bose Road, second phase, Chikkabeta Halli, Bangalore by Concord Group. If you have any queries related to pricing, plans, offers, booking process or want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such project sample flat tour videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.